Um, Hello. Welcome to Easy English Stories. This is a live show. I am Anna. I am your host today. Thank you for joining us. Today our topic is paradise. Paradise. What is paradise? Is it a place? Is it a feeling? We will hear a calm story. Listen slowly. Enjoy. Now the story begins. There was a small village near the sea. The village had small houses. People in the village were kind. They smiled each morning. In the middle of the village was a green garden. The garden had trees and many flowers. There was a small lake in the garden. Birds sang near the lake. A young woman liked the garden. Her name was Lila. Lila came to the garden every day. She liked the quiet and the birds. One morning, Lila sat by the lake. She looked at the water. The water was clear and blue. She saw a small paper on the ground. She picked up the paper slowly. The paper was a map. The map had a line and a small path. On the map was one word: paradise. Layla felt curious. Her heart beat a little fast. Layla thought, what is paradise? She looked at the garden. She looked at the sky. She decided to follow the map. Leela told her friend Tom. Tom was kind and brave. Tom said, I will go with you. They started to walk together. They walked past the village. They walked by the sea. They felt the warm wind. They walked slowly and talked softly. The sun was warm and yellow. Waves made soft sounds. They saw a small fish near the rocks. After some time, they went into a forest. The forest was quiet and green. The path was small and full of leaves. They walked carefully on the stones. Lila looked at the trees. She breathed slowly. She felt calm. Tom held the map. The map showed a hill ahead. They reached the hill after a long walk. On the hill, they found a green gate. The gate was old. A vine climbed the gate. The gate was open a little. Lila and Tom pushed the gate and went through. They saw a wide valley. The valley was very green and calm. They walked into the valley slowly. In the valley, there was a big blue lake. The water was very clear. A small fish moved near the shore. Flowers grew along the water. An old man sat near the lake. He wore a simple coat. He had kind eyes and a soft smile. Lila and Tom walked to the old man. Lila asked, is this paradise? The old man smiled and said, Bana, many people ask this. He spoke slowly and with calm voice. He said, paradise is not the same for everyone. For some people, paradise is a place. And for some people, paradise is a home. For some people, paradise is a memory. The old man looked at Lila. He said, and for many people, paradise is inside. It is peace in your heart. Lila listened and thought. She closed her eyes for a moment. She felt the wind and the sun. She felt calm and warm inside. The old man said, "You can carry paradise with you. You can feel it when you are kind. You can feel it when you help someone." Tom looked at Lila and smiled. Pause. Lila smiled back. Pause. They stayed by the lake until evening. The sky turned orange and red. The lake looked soft and warm. When they walked back, they were not the same. The village looked the same, but they felt new inside. Lila saw the garden with new eyes. Birds seemed to sing more gently. People seemed kinder and softer. Lila spoke to Tom. "I think paradise is near me," she said. "It is in the small things, a warm cup, a smile." Tom said, "Yo, and yes, a small place can be paradise. A small moment can be paradise." Now, the story is almost finished. Listen to these words again. Paradise is not only a far place. Paradise can be a calm morning. Paradise can be a kind friend. Paradise can be inside your heart. Imagine your small paradise now. See the green trees. Hear soft birds. Feel calm. Take a deep breath. Keep this calm feeling with you today. Thank you for listening to Easy English Stories. Thank you for being here with me. If you like this story, please like our video. Please subscribe to the channel. Share this story with a friend. Now, one last line for our beautiful ending. Paradise is not a far place. Paradise is the peace you carry. Keep it in your heart. Goodbye.